It'll be fun.
Everybody was bitching at the airport. I wasn't.
I have no idea. Mark! Daddy.
That's him. You should see the other guy.
I am the other guy.